Two.
3.
2.
Not 2, 3. Don't.
2.
You got to think of the answer, because what happens is you just spitting out answers till you come up with the right one, but that doesn't help you, because in the end you just do that every time. Okay, so compound has subdivisions of
3.
and duple means
2. Double 2.
quadruple means
4.
4 beats to the measure, yes. And triple means
3.
3 beats to the measure. Good. Ed, are you recording? Yeah, you are. Okay. Ed, are you there? Dr. Morse.
I'm here.
You're recording, right?
I am.
Okay. All right. So then the last thing we kind of talked a little bit about was the names of the scale degrees. Scale degree 1, what's the name of it?
Tonic.
Tonic. Supertonic.
Tonic.
He didn't even ask for the second one.
Hey, he always do that.
Scale degree 3.
I just was lagging, man, so I ain't hear it.
Hearing anybody? Okay. And the scale degree 3.
Median.
Median. Scale degree 4.
Subdominant.
Subdominant.
Dominant. Scale degree 5.
Dominant.
Dominant.
Scale degree 6.
Submedian. Leading tone.
Can't hear.
Scale degree 8. Lowered scale degree 7. Minor, what's scale degree 7 called?
Is it super median?
I'm not gonna try to guess that, but
Super median.
I don't remember.
Do we need the book? Is there a book to this?
Wait, what leads which one?
We gonna need our
I'm only reviewing the things you learned.
Oh, he's reviewing this week.
Perfect. I can
For
hear
real?
you. What
Because I don't remember that.
said?
While we talk. Listen. Tell me if this is too loud. Is that too loud?
no. Perfect.
Perfect.
Not at all.
All right, this is the tonic, supertonic, median, subdominant, dominant, submedian. And what's that called?
Whoa.
Yeah,
Is it super time?
I wasn't even playing the scale correctly.
That's not the leading tone. That was not the leading tone.
Oh, no, listen.
I just need to know what page you on.
I'm not on any page at all.
I'm majorly confused.
Were you here yesterday?
I was, but I didn't catch most of it because it kept lagging and then my internet went out.
Okay, well, we're only reviewing.
Oh.
I'm telling you, we're like reviewing from about chapter 2.
Oh, okay.
Right? It's just a review. All right, let's do it a different way.
Don't tell
Oh,
me
I know what it's called.
Okay, but don't worry about it yet at the moment. Let me dump a scale in here. Yeah, right. No, that's wrong. Sorry, I just keep hitting the wrong finger. All right, I did it again. Let's look at the scale. Is that loud or no?
It was
I can't
playing
hear
music.
anything.
Oh, it was playing?
I can't hear anything.
Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry.
Huh? Justin.
I'm sorry. I'm going to look at my preferences for the audio, and I got to probably change where the audio.
It's all right.
Well, anyways, there's the scale I'm playing. Here it is right here, though. All right. So that's the tonic.
The one below it?
Mine lagged again.
Can't help. I'm sorry.
Alicia, you talking?
Nah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Here's. Hear that?
A little bit,
not really.
yes. Oh, God.
Okay, I hear it.
I hear it.
Ding, ding.
What's this? Shut up.
Here we go. Here's the A opposite. Right here.
Okay.
What's the interval?
To play it again.
See.
Quality and then
I didn't hear anything. You can play it again.
Oh, dang.
Joseph.
all you have to do is look at the two notes here. Okay.
Uh-huh.
This note and this note. Those are the two notes I played. I played this note first and this note second.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Interval.
Let's see. There is a.
Look, stop. This is not rocket science. What's the name?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What's the name of the first note?
G.
What's the name of the second note?
A.
It's the second.
B.
1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, or
Is
an
it?
8.
Is it?
Oh, it's a
Lord.
1 and
Is it two?
Stop laughing. Now listen. Is that interval a whole step or a half step or something else?
That's a whole step.
A whole-
Definitely a hole.
What does that mean between B and A?
It's the second.
We already established it was a second. I asked for the quality.
quality.
Third or second? What?
Is it a triply diminished second?
Oh, you're going too fast now. Hold on.
A triply diminished second?
What are the qualities that we have in the major scale?
I'm not even gonna lie, like I just remember all this stuff.
Cause I don't.
Well, what
real, y'all?
is we're going over these last two notes here.
Bro.
I put them yesterday. At the
I don't
very-
want to guess either though.
Now listen up. Then I said to you that it's very important that you go back and review this week, because next week we'll be doing part writing. And if you don't understand these things, you won't be doing the part writing.
Oh, my Lord.
You know what? I just feel like
It's a
I
different
need to
level
change
of
my
hard.
name.
Would it be?
I was gonna
Let's
have to.
try. I have a question.
Go right ahead.
Would it be possible for you to review with us with our workbooks and our textbooks that we bought from the bookstore?
Sure.
Okay.
I'm doing nothing.
What the book look like? What the book look like?
It's purple.
It's purple. I
Mhm.
got a blue one.
Oh.
Wow.
Laughing. In fact, everybody mute. If you want to talk, you talk in the chat box, please. All right. I've got to figure this out here. How to do this. I'm bringing up the chat box. Let's see, Zoom. Sorry, I'm bringing up the chat box and it wasn't allowing me to see the chat box. All right. All right. Go ahead and unmute yourself now, please.
This ain't it.
It was getting out of.
No, that's not it, Sean.
Wow.
Here are the qualities of intervals. You have the unison. You have the minor quality, the major quality, the perfect quality. You have an augmented quality and or a diminished quality.
Okay.
Let's look at this minor scale right here. Between A and B, is that a whole step or is that a half step?
A and B.
It's a whole step.
It's a whole step.
So a whole step is.
Oh, that's a half step.
You have
Ooh,
a
I feel slow.
A to B is a half.
Yeah, that's a half.
between A and B. Look at your piano.
A half.
No, it's a whole step.
Whole step. There's a black note in between it.
I thought we said whole step the first time.
Oh yeah, whole step.
I know. So now I'm going to ask you a whole step with what kind of interval? Is it major, minor, diminished, or augmented?
Is
Major.
it major?
You have a major second.
Okay.
Whole step, you have a major second.
Oh, that's what you. Okay.
That was what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Equals.
Gotcha.
I didn't know what they were called. What are they called again?
What are what called?
What are they called as a whole? Like major, minor, augmented, diminished, and stuff like that.
Major, or they're called. There's a unison, a major, minor, perfect, augmented, and diminished, and there's also an octave. Okay, between B and C, is that a whole step or a half step?
Half.
Half. Was that major, minor, perfect, augmented, diminished? What is it?
Major.
Okay. Someone said major. Major what?
Second. No, third.
The second. And this one before that was a major second, and we established that that was a whole step.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
The whole step can't be that. All right, so let me do this down here. Whole step.
I need a book.
I'm just gonna write whole. Okay, whole S. No, that's good. So here we got a half step, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So between B and C, B to C is a second because B is 1, C is 2, right?
Yes.
So we have a second here. So the second letter in this, or whatever it is, in this abbreviation is going to be, but is it a major or minor second? or a diminished second, or an augmented second?
Can I ask you something first?
Can we just stay on this question and then and then we'll go back to your question, okay?
It's important to me answering this though. What key is this?
Well, let me ask you this: what note does it start on?
It's an A.
And what note does it end on?
It's a G.
Well, let me make this a little bit smaller then.
7
Because we were looking at the very end of it before.
Oh, it's an A. Okay, I understand.
A.
Yeah.
All right. So it goes from A to A, and what's the key signature?
4-4.
4-4.
Don't listen to other people. I asked what the key signature was.
A.
I'm looking.
No shots, no flat.
You talking about like circle of fifth key signature like that?
Like, is it a
in the key.
it's F major? It's in C major, right?
C.
I'm so lost.
There's no key signature.
Start on key
There's
signature.
no sharps or flats, so it's in C
In
major.
C.
How could it be in C when it starts on A and ends on A?
Oh, it's A
That's the
minor.
law.
My bad.
Okay.
So lost.
All right. What kind of second is that? Between a half step is what kind of a second?
Minor.
The minor second. I want you to notice that major second is large M, minor second is a small m. What's the interval between C and D? A whole step or a half step?
Oh,
Oh.
Good. I'm just going to go on for a moment. Between D and E, whole step or half step?
Half.
D to E.
Oh.
oh,
O.
E to F.
Let me see.
F.
half.
Mm-hmm.
F to G.
Oh,
O.
Oh.
Oh.
And G to A.
oh.
O.
All right. So based on this whole half, and a whole step is a major second and a half is a minor second. And this is a minor scale.
So the third one will be minor.
Well, why would it be minor? If the first one is a whole step, and this is a whole step, wouldn't it be a major second?
Yes, it would.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What would this one be?
Major.
Good. A major second.
A minor second.
Minor.
Minor second.
Major, minor.
Major.
Major.
And another major second.
Major.
Now to the original question. Between scale degree 7 and scale degree 1, usually scale degree 7 is called the leading tone. It's the half step from the tonic note. Does everybody understand that?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Not a half step, but it's a whole step. It's the name of the scale degree is different. So this scale degree right here is called the subtonic.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry about the double capital there. All right. We have this is how the first half of the class started, with this little conversation about this. Okay. Please remain focused. Okay. We're going to talk about key signatures right now. Let's see. Can anybody, I don't want everybody talking at once, but does anybody know a trick on how to know what the key signature is based on how many sharps or flats are in the key signature?
I think for like minor,
Isn't
like
it
if
like
oh,
You
I'm
go
sorry. Go
back
ahead.
one
Let's
from the last.
Dig.
so let's the sharp keys. Does anyone have a trick?
Don't you go back one from like the last, like with sharps?
I just remember circle of fifths.
Okay. You remember the circle of fifths? What's one sharp?
G.
No, D is two sharps. One
Right.
D
sharp
is
is
one
D
sharp,
major.
G is one sharp.
D is two,
A is 3.
Hang on a second. One sharp.
mm-hmm.
All right. What key signature is two sharps?
D,
D. D major.
Let's see.
Yes.
D. What's
three. I mean A major.
A.
A? What's four sharps?
E
E,
E
major.
major.
EBT chord.
And what is five sharps?
B,
E major.
E major.
E major. All right, good.
We have an acronym.
What is it?
What is it?
And college girls don't always eat breakfast.
I don't.
Wow.
Interesting. The drawdown menu stops after that, so let's see.
My teacher didn't even give us an acronym.
I'm screaming. Ooh.
X.
7.
Oh, 6 is
F sharp.
it's A sharp, ain't it? F sharp. Yeah, F sharp.
Seven is
C sharp.
C sharp.
yeah, she's there.
correct. All right. So really, with key signatures in the sharp keys, here's what you need to memorize or know that we start out in the key of C with no sharps and flats.
Mm-hmm.
All right, C has no sharps or flats, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's right.
All right. So one sharp is, what's the name of that sharp right there?
G.
G. It's
So, no, what's the name of the sharp?
F sharp.
F sharp. What is the last step above F sharp?
G.
A half step.
I think I heard somebody say
What
it.
did you say?
G.
That sharp, the last sharp in every one of these is the leading tone of the key you're in. Interval from C to G. If I count, I go C, that's 1, D, 2, E is 3, F is 4, and G is 5, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
The sharp side, you count up fifths, all right? So let's count up 5 from G.
G, A, B, C, D. D. Mm-hmm.
Here's the leading tone right there, C sharp, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the leading tone to D. Count up 5 from D again.
A, A.
Okay. And notice the last sharp there is G sharp, right? That's
Hey, Ma.
count up 5 from A.
I can't even do it right now. I got class going on.
Mute yourself, Jeremiah.
Right. Somebody's
Good
talking.
Lord.
Yeah.
Faith.
Mute yourself, all right? Sorry. So I'm on A. I'm on 4 sharps, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
The last sharp is D sharp. That's the leading tone to what?
E.
E.
E. All right. That's one way to count up 5 from A. A, B, C, D, E. All right.
All right.
In that. You can say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
So then, what's the name of this accidental right here?
Is it
B.
Sharp.
Is that A sharp?
Last accidental on this one. What's the name of it?
B.
B.
B?
B.
B sharp.
That looks
Maybe.
like A sharp to me.
C sharp.
B sharp.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
That would be sharp.
No. No.
it's
B.
B.
It's A sharp, isn't it?
No,
It's
Yeah.
regular B.
it's not
It's
B.
B.
A sharp.
That going on.
B.
Isn't it? I thought it was A sharp because it's in the space.
Yeah, it's A sharp.
Mm,
Found it again.
But you know what?
I say B.
We just said B though. When
F
we named
sharp.
Okay. If we all say these answers, he didn't tell us nothing.
B. Yeah, we can't hear him talk.
I just asked, and what's a half step above A sharp?
B.
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 Only going back and forth between the two different ways.
We said B.
That's the first thing I said.
Now listen, when
B
everybody
as in bring the bacon.
you understand what I'm saying? When everybody starts talking, I can hear you very well. I'm gonna have to make it smaller at the moment. And the reason is I can't get to what I'm trying to get to. I'll increase the size of it in a minute. Can anybody see this top space here? What's the that's the leading tone. What is that note name?
Hold on, I can't see.
F sharp.
B.
F. F sharp.
F sharp.
Base of the treble clef is what?
You said the space?
I'm looking at the key signature. I'm not counting. I'm only looking for the leading tone, which is the last accidental there. The top
F sharp.
E sharp.
E sharp, and E sharp is the leading tone too.
F.
No, E sharp and F are the same note.
F sharp.
Oh yeah, sure.
We gonna
Right.
spit y'all.
There's some shit.
And,
F sharp.
and then this last one down here, if I count up 5 from F sharp,
C sharp.
C sharp.
yeah, C sharp. And now I'm going to increase the size of this so you can see it. Command 2. For some reason, it's not liking me. 9, measure 10. Command E. All right, let's just do it this way. F sharp. Yeah, it's off the page. Sorry. My computer doesn't like me today. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to view.
That's
C sharp. What's the leading tone? C sharp.
B sharp.
B sharp, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, does everybody know what the interval of a minor third is? The major second and the minor second combined.
Okay.
Okay. So that makes a minor third.
Can you say that again? You're breaking up, Dr. Shriver.
Okay. Minor third consists of a major second plus a minor second.
Okay.
All right, so let's see here. I'm going to write that down. Sorry, I can't see anything. It's so small. All right, a major, or excuse me, a minor third equals a major second
And a minor third.
plus a minor second. All right. So a minor third is a major second plus a minor second.
Minor third is a major second plus minor second.
Or it's a minor second plus a major second.
Oh.
Okay.
You said a minor second plus a major second.
Or a major second plus a minor second, depending on how you look at it.
Oh, wow.
3 half steps.
Interesting.
All right.
All right. Now listen. We're in C major up there, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So what's a minor third below C?
Minor third below C. Is it A?
Think about C. There's B. And there's A. So C to B, is that a whole step or half step, or is that a major second or a minor second?
Minor.
That's a major.
Second. It's a minor second.
Second, that's right. And from B to A.
Major.
You got the major.
A major second, a minor second equals what?
A major plus a minor.
Major.
Minor plus a major is a minor.
The minor. All right, good. So a minor third below C is what?
A minor.
Moving forward. A minor third below G. Here's a G, here's an F, and here's an E. All right. So from G to F is a whole step. E is a half step. And G to F is a major second or a whole step. And F to E is a half step or a minor second. So below the key is the same key, it's his relative minor. So this key is E. Understand that or no?
So
Anybody?
Yeah, you said E would be a minor third under G, right?
Yes. G down is a minor third. That's correct.
Yeah, because we going by half step. Well, 3, nah. Whole then.
No, if you know the major key, you just need to know how to get a minor third below it to find the minor key. So D,
okay.
If I count D, now I'm not doing it without the can. I go D is 1, and a third down below that D, C,
the B.
E.
B.
That's right. D, C, B. So D to C is a whole step, and C to B is the half step. So this is B minor. Okay. All right. So minor third below A, you've got A, G, and F.
F sharp.
F sharp. You're right. The key signature. Good. All right. But if you were just counting it, all right, A to G, that's a whole step, and G to F is a whole step also. But you need a whole step. You got to raise that up. But yes, it's in the key signature. Okay. So, so it's F sharp is the minor keys. Notice these are all lowercase. All right, a minor third below E.
C sharp.
Sharp. Who's that speaking a lot?
Cheyenne.
Thank you, Cayenne. All right. Now, here's the problem with C. All right. When I'm typing it, everything looks cool because we can tell it's lowercase. But when you're writing it, you can't. You need to put a line behind it. Does everybody understand that?
Yes.
Yeah. It's really just C. Because the C, the uppercase C and the lowercase c look exactly the same. It's just a perspective of how big it is. So we always put a line behind C. Put C sharp minor. You wouldn't put C line sharp. It's C sharp minor. All right, so a minor third below B, B, A.
G sharp.
G.
G sharp. Good, somebody's looking at because the G sharp is already there. All right, minor third below F, F sharp, we got F sharp, we got
D sharp.
We got D what?
Sharp.
Sharp.
He's already yelling it out. D sharp, that's right.
And A sharp for the last one.
And yeah, this is going to be exactly the same as the first one, except we add a sharp on it.
Mm-hmm.
So listen, you don't need to memorize all of these. All right, but I'm going to tell you this. You should memorize the first 4 and maybe the first 5 because those are the ones that commonly happen. At least the first 4 can get used to B major because that's a common key. The other keys you don't really see as much unless you're playing in piano music. All right? So what you really do is go home and say 1 sharp is D major.
Question.
D major, 3 sharps is A major, 4 sharps is E major, and then go back and say 1 sharp is E minor, 2 sharps is B minor, 3 sharps is F sharp minor, and 4 sharps is C sharp minor.
Question.
Memorize them because you will go a lot further just because you won't have to figure them out every time. And the real point to learning these things this week is the work that you have to do will take you far less time. All right, does anyone have any questions?
I do. When we're doing the key signatures for like the minors, you prefer us to put a dash instead of a lowercase m?
No, these are all lowercase.
No, it's gonna be minor because they're lowercase.
Let me.
He was saying.
I was only discussing this right here. This right here.
Yeah, he was saying for the case of like C sharp minor, he was saying instead of putting C minor sharp, he was saying put C sharp and then the minors behind it.
I get that part, but like last year we were doing the lowercase m's instead of the dash. So I'm saying, does he prefer a dash instead of a lowercase m? That's what I'm at.
M.
Yeah,
for minor.
M for minor. That's what we.
Yeah, in the textbook, yeah, we.
Listen, you're confusing.
Oh Lord.
I just put the dash. Don't worry about it.
Confusing lead sheet symbols with key signatures. Lead sheet symbols are chords, like E sharp minor 7th. I'm just. What the confusion is I've got them above instead of below. I'm just writing keys in here below the staff. I was writing them above. All right. I'm only saying that when it comes to C, it's special because if you write it by hand when we're talking about key signatures, I'm not talking about chords.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, just so you know, you can use dashes in those lead sheet symbols also. All right. Any other questions?
No.
I have a whole in this page. If you haven't downloaded the syllabus, it's probably going to move to the syllabus page soon. All right. Yesterday's lecture was up online by Dr. Morse. And today's lecture is going to be online too. I'm probably not going to leave it on the home page though, because information I need to put on the home page. But for the moment, that's where it stands. So yesterday's lecture and today's lecture. Did anyone come in really late, like after I started the lecture?
Me, I came in like at 4:11.
All right, who's me?
Remy.
Hello, Remy. Good to see you.
Hey.
Hey, Remy.
I did keep the
Y'all didn't
subscriber.
know I was on here this whole
7 double.
My name is
7 double.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow. I will be sending you out probably a single invitation tomorrow, and we will use that code from now on until I say it's any different.
Did you get my name, Dr. Scriber?
You can first to introduce.
Okay.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Dr. Schreiber. Sorry I was a little late, Dr. Schreiber. I had lost track of time.
Did I get you on my attendance list?
Sir.
Dr. Schreiber, am I still to call you?
Probably in about a couple of hours.
Call you in a couple.
Yeah, like after 7 o'clock. Between
Okay.
7, you say?
That's cool. I have to FaceTime you because I have no service.
Okay.
Okay.
Dr. Scriber, did you get my name down? I came in at 4:10. My name's Aaron Weddington.
John?
Yes.
What's your last name?
Brown.
Yeah, I got you. I went through attendance and you were here. Yeah.
Okay.
Did you get me, Scriber?
I don't. Okay. What's your last name?
Weddington.
No, I didn't. All right. So if you come in after, I'm trying to take attendance. I don't know how that's really going to go, but at some point I think I'll just have you put it in the chat. But who knows? All right. We'll see you tomorrow. Right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right. Everybody's out of here. I got to talk to Dr. Morse.
All right.
All right.
Dr. Ed?
I'm here.
Well, that was terrible.
Oh, I didn't listen. I'm sorry. I was drilling a tuba.
Oh, man, they got out of hand, and I told them to all pause their stuff.
Oh, pretty rowdy, huh?
Recording, please.
Oh, darn it.